Term 3, Unit 5 Money, Part 7. In this session, we are going to learn about Exercise 5.2, Word Problem 3 to 7 sum. So, let us see the third sum first. The cost of 1 kg of tomato is rupees 15. Find the cost of 5 kg of tomato. So, try to understand the concept. Here they have given 1 kg of tomato is rupees 15. We are going to find out 5 kg of tomatoes, right? So they have given for 1 kg and we are going to find out for 5 kg. So sure we need to do the multiplication only, right? Okay, here is the solution. The cost of 1 kg of tomato is equal to rupees 15. Then cost of 5 kg of tomatoes is equal to rupees 15 into 5. So as usual, let us do the multiplication. So 15 5 times 75 will become. So once again, let us check. 5 5s are 25, 5 and 2 above, 5 1s are 5 and plus 2 7, right? So the cost of 5 kg of tomatoes is equal to 75 rupees. Fifth sum. The school management has decided to give a pen for all children participating in the Children's Day celebration. The cost of a pen is rupees 18. How much money do they need to buy pens for 256 children? So here, what calculation do we want to do? Just read it once again. Okay. The cost of pen, a pen means one pen mark. So a pen is rupees 18. So they have given the value of one pen. But in the school management, they have to buy pens for 256 children. So here also we need to do the multiplication only, right? So as usual, cost of one pen is equal to rupees 18. Then cost of 256 pence is equal to rupees 18 into 256. So as usual, just mention in a tabular column and then do as it is. 8 6 are 48. So 8 here and 4 above. 8 5 are 40 plus 4 44. 4 here and 4 above. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. Right? 0 and 2 above and bring that 2 because there is no values in 1000. So I bring down the 2. So you know well, you are all familiar with that multiplication. So here I have started with the tens column. So I enter 0 in the ones place. So 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2. Now we need to add, right? So 8 plus 0 8, then 6 plus 4 10. So 0 here and 1 upon the below column like this. Then we have to add all these values 1 plus 0 plus 5. That means 6 will be the answer and here 4, right? So cost of 256 pence is equal to rupees 4608. Fourth sum, the cost of one egg is rupees 4 and 55. Find the cost of 20 eggs. So here also they have given cost of one egg, that is rupees 4 and 55, isn't it? So we are going to find out the cost of 20 eggs, right? So sure we need to do the multiplication. Is it right? Fine. So let us start to do the work. Cost of one egg, right as it is. So sure it's a word problem. We have to write our answer with a few words. Is it clear? Okay. So cost of one egg is equal to rupees 4 and 55. Cost of 20 eggs is equal to 4 rupees 55 into 20. So from the mind calculation, think that in 450 we have 1 0 and in 20 we have 1 0. So totally 2 zeros should become, and then 4.5 it double times means it will show 90, right? So let us check our answers with normal calculation. So 0 zeros are as usual 0, then 0 5s are also 0. So whatever number multiply with 0, sure we get the answer of 0 only, right? Okay. Then now we are going to follow from 10. So I enter 0 in the ones place. So let us start with the tens now. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10. So 2 digit answer. So 0 here and 1 above. So 4 twos are or 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So after adding we get the answer 0, 0, 0 and 9. As I have told you already, in 4 rupees and 55, 2 digits before only we have the dot, isn't it? So in our answers also, 2 digits before we have to keep the dot in this place, right? That means cost of 20 eggs is equal to 90 rupees. Like this you have to follow, ma. Sixth sum. A fruit seller buys 8 boxes of grapes for rupees 2000. What is the cost of one box? So here they have given 8 cost of 8 box rupees is 2000, but we are going to find out cost of one box, right? In multiplication sum they have given the cost of one piece or one egg, isn't it? But here we are going to find out the cost of one box. So sure, it's just opposite to division. Don't forget, try to observe the question first. Clear? So solution, total cost of grapes is equal to rupees 2000. Total number of boxes, that's equal to 8, isn't it? So rupees 2000 divided by 8. Let us do the cancelling method directly, isn't it? So it will be easy to cancel because 2000 is a round of number, so it's easy to do that work. So 8, let us select the 8 times table, because in 8 times table we have the denominator 8 and also in numerator we have 200. Okay, so cancel and mention 1. At the top 8 25, that means 25 4 times is 100. Here 25 8 times 200. So while doing sums only you will get this practice. Clear? So one more 0 is there. So cancel and join with that. So now we have 250 divided by 1. That's equal to rupees 250. So the cost of one box is equal to rupees 250. Do you understand? I think it's easy now. Seventh sum. In a sweet stall, the cost of 18 kg of sweets is rupees 2520. What is the cost of 1 kg of sweets? So here also they have given 80 kg of sweets amount, isn't it? But we are going to find out 1 kg of sweets. That is the task. So once again, here we are going to do division only, right? So now it will be easy for you to identify the word problems, right? Okay. So let us see the solution. Total cost of 18 kg of sweets is equal to rupees 2520, and cost of 1 kg of sweets is equal to
amount divided by 18, right? Here I am going to do the direct cancellation method ma. And if you are very well in that 18 times table, you can find out the answer here itself. So 18 one times and answer will be 140. But I am going to follow two-step method here. Both numerator and denominator end with even numbers. So I have selected 2 as a common table, right? So here I am going to cancel with the 9. 2 9s are 18. Then at the top 126, right? If you multiply with the 2, that means 126 into 2, you will get 252. Just check it once more. Then one more 0 is left here. Just join with that. Okay. So still we have the values in numerator and also in denominator. So let us select 9 times table as a common table, because both can be divided by 9. Here 9 one time and at the top 14 times, right? So 14 nines are 126. So this also you can check it and join that one more 0 with that. So remaining is 140 divided by 1. That's it. So rupees 140. Therefore, the cost of 1 kg of sweets is equal to rupees 140. Now it's easy, I think. Okay, all the best.